What you see is that I use square pots, not the round ones, because I don't want tap roots to, when they reach the bottom of a pot, they start going round and round and round. And if you have a square pot, then you don't have this risk. The other risk that you still have is that they go up and down and up and down. But that's also the reason why I put my young seedlings directly in a long and in a big pot, so that they have from the beginning, they have all the space that they will need, and that you don't have a lot of damage from the taproot, because the taproot is really strong. The first little point on the taproot is really strong, can break a rock, and that one is the one that you want to save and that you don't want to disturb and not want to destroy. I just take them out when they are very young, the seedlings, and I put them directly in this kind of a pot. I will show you how small that the roots are then, and I will do it exactly in. Normally I have something like this.
Yeah.
You see, you already have a really small root system. This is the...
Yeah, that's it.
Then this one already goes in, very small, but doing well. And now this one can stay in till October, when we start planting them. I don't have to disturb it anymore. I don't make any damage. For me this works best. I can show you the result from little seedlings that are already a couple of weeks in. I will take one. Here you see already one that is in now, I think 6 to 8 weeks, something like this. And they were in my greenhouse, but I took them out this morning because the greenhouse is really wet now. A lot of humidity inside, and I see that the snails are coming in. This kind of tree, I just put it outside because we don't have any frost anymore. So I think this one can handle it. The only thing that I do then is put them in a tube. It's like a little private house that they have, and that's protect them for sun and for the wind. And you will see, in the beginning I also didn't do it. I kept them here and I kept them in the shadow, but now I do it like this the last years, and I had really good results with these ones. It starts growing, and you will see, and they are open in the sun, and you will see that when they are big enough that they come out. In the beginning, the leaves that come out first, they will have a little bit sunburn, because then it's already hot here, and then it's only the beginning, and then afterwards they are already used to the sun and the climate, and they are doing well. And when I just took them here in the shadow for a longer period, then I had a lot of problems with the plants, that they had to get used to the climate and the sun. So I just take them outside in this little thing, and it works perfect. You see they go in like this, very small. After about 10 weeks they are already like this, some species and not all of them. Some are growing faster than other ones. This is about 10 weeks. It will stay in this pot till October, because our planting season is in October. I put them outside and they start growing and growing and growing, and then they come out of the tube. And some species, when we plant them in October, some of them will be like this already. So it depends on what kind of tree you have, but especially this one is one that will be bigger and will come out something like this.